meditating, should've waited, should've never dated. I've been contemplating,
You got potential. You got potential.
Yeah, whoa, whoa, whoa. I had to cut some niggas out, they didn't mean me no good. I come from the ghetto, so my trunk is in my hood. She wouldn't wear no panties around me, even if she could. Gave out plenty spankings till they got it understood. Fuck the nosebleeds, baby, come sit on this wood. If you know it's tension, don't come around me like it's good. I got street smarts and you can't get this out no book. I can't right my wrongs, but I can still write these hooks.
All time to get exposed, gang. Banned from around here, nigga, come get off your show. Savage, say you pussy and he hit it on the nose. But that border's open, why you acting like it's closed? I don't know. I be going in and out recessions the same way that I be going in and out of Texas. In and out my sessions, in and out her best friends, in and out these courtrooms. My lawyer like objection.
Yeah, whoa, whoa. All my bitches Spanish, Boricua. Water on my neck, these diamonds came with coral reefer. She from overseas, I had to buy her a new visa. Bet your wife in Vegas, but I hit her in Ibiza. She a supermodel, so she only eat Caesar. Used to date a rapper, but he acted like a diva. Niggas hustling backwards, out here ballin' with the Rhea.
Powder Adderall, I feel like I could lift a tree up.
Seen too many cameras, so I never lift my ski up. I jump on your song and make you sound like you the feature.
I jump on your song and make a label think they need ya. For real, yeah.
On that bullshit, okay. On that bullshit, okay. On that bullshit, okay. On that bullshit, on that bullshit, okay. On that bullshit, on that bullshit. We on all the bullshit, okay. On that bullshit, on that bullshit, on that bullshit, on that bullshit, on that bullshit.
Hey little mamas, what's poppin'? Welcome back to another video. For those that are new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So hey y'all, it is Sunday, so we're doing a Sunday reset vlog. So yeah, is it gonna be a vlog? I don't know. I don't think we're really going anywhere, but we're doing a Sunday reset. So y'all just see me do a little bit of my morning routine. I did my skincare, I took Bella on a walk, I fed her, and then I started doing this like a little shot. I seen this on TikTok. It's like a little liver cleanse. So it's the extra virgin olive oil, which I have right here in a glass bottle, and then you do a tablespoon of that, and then you do some cayenne pepper, and then a lemon. So yeah, it's not that bad, but it's a little bit strong because I was making a little face, y'all. It was a little bit strong. So this is day one. So yeah, took that this morning, and you're supposed to take that on a empty stomach and then eat or drink an hour later. So yeah, while I'm waiting on that to digest, I'm gonna just start cleaning up my house and stuff and just do a little Sunday reset, because throughout the week my house gets kind of jacked up. So I'm gonna just clean, do what it do, and yeah girl, we're just gonna see where today leads us. I don't really have any plans except for just getting my house together and just maybe just doing some self-care and just chilling and relaxing, because Monday is a whole new week and we gotta go to work. So let me prepare myself mentally. So yeah, just wanted to come in here and say what's poppin' and subscribe if you are new. And yeah, let's get right into this video. y'all, so it's a little bit later, so it's still morning time because I still have on my pajamas. Period. I got up extra early this morning, y'all, like at 7:30, and it's only like 9:30, so I don't know why I got up so early, but we're gonna see how I last throughout the day. But I'm about to make me a water, and I got this cute water bottle, y'all, from Target. Super cute, and I think it was like $14. So it's by the brand called Slim, and I really do like this. It takes like a water bottle and almost a half, so yeah, that's pretty good. So I'm about to make me one because I'm a little thirsty. I'm gonna get some of my ice because I kind of want a cold water. I don't usually drink cold water, but I kind of want one this morning. So I'm about to have this. Yeah, I've been drinking spring water because it's supposed to be better for you. I don't really see a difference, but I'm starting to drink spring water now. I could put a little bit more water in here, but I'm going to just keep it how it is. Y'all, what do y'all do on Sundays? I feel like Sundays for me is just a chance to, if I need to relax or clean my house. Usually I would clean my house on Fridays or Saturdays, so Sunday I can just relax the whole day, but what do y'all do on Sundays? Like, how do y'all get ready for the week? Let your girl know. And y'all, I had went to Trader Joe's yesterday. Y'all, I went to Trader Joe's yesterday. Y'all had went to Trader Joe's yesterday. I should have took y'all with me. I always be forgetting. But I got me some yogurts. And I saw Chelsea here on YouTube. Hey girl, if you ever see my video, she had tried this ginger lemon probiotic sparkling beverage. Can you even see? Yeah, it looks like this. Anyway, this was only $1.99. So y'all know I'll be getting well, I don't know if you know, but I'll be getting the Olipop, the classic root beer, and these are so good. So I'm really interested in seeing how this is gonna taste. I might have this later on. I'm not gonna drink it now because I just took that shot of that olive oil and stuff. But I'm about to make me a little yogurt. Trader Joe's has some really good Greek yogurt, y'all. Greek yogurt can be kind of nasty, but theirs is really good. So I'm about to make me this. This is in the one that's honey. The honey one is so good. I had the vanilla bean. That one was good too, but the honey, it just does something to me. So we're going to have this with a little bit of granola. I ain't gonna lie, this does have a lot of sugar in it. Well, yeah, it kind of does, but we're going to have that this morning. I'm going to have this as like my little snack before breakfast. Yeah, I'm really trying to do like 3 snacks, 3 meals, because I really do not eat like I'm supposed to. I feel like I don't eat meals. Like, I just be eating like random. I eat like 2 times a day, and I really want to eat like 3 times a day. So yeah, morning, lunch, dinner, you know the vibes. So we're gonna have this, and then I also got the granola from Trader Joe's. This is my first time getting their granola. This is the vanilla almond granola. So I'm just gonna use a little bit because this has a lot of sugar in it too, y'all. Like, I tried it, but we're not gonna eat too much. So there's nothing to it, just a little quick stir. Oh, y'all, I also have some dried strawberries, so I think I'm gonna use that too. I'm gonna get some strawberries. know why I didn't put this in a bowl. You're trying to be extra. Yeah, let's put this in a bowl. Alright, y'all, this is what it's given. I should have made it look cute, but this is what it's given. So I'm about to eat this and then just chill out, and then we're gonna get back into cleaning it up. And yeah, I will see y'all once I get finished.
I know you love fucking me. I can tell by the way you in love with me. You can't get enough of me, yeah. Well, I guess it's looking like you stuck with me, 'cause I got you sprung off in the springtime. Fuck all your free time. You don't need no me time. That's you and me time. We be getting so loud. That dick make me so.
Alright, y'all, so I look so crazy. Don't mind how I'm looking, but I think I'm gonna keep like almost all of my bathing suits, and I'm probably just gonna throw these away right here, because these I feel like I'm not gonna wear, but these, it's just like possibilities. Like, I don't know. That's why I'm really bad at throwing stuff away, because I would literally keep everything. So, and y'all, I have a mint swim bathing suit. If y'all know Drea, if you know, you know. Drea has her mint swim line. This is like one of her, like, I think first drops, y'all. And I never wore this. Like, what in the world? Well, first of all, it didn't fit, and she has a no refunds policy. But now that I got a breast reduction, I can fit the top, but the bottoms are still kind of like a little bit small. But this is just so crazy. Like, I feel like this was like in 2016. I don't know, but I'm determined to wear this year. We're gonna see what the vibes are. Yeah, so we're gonna keep that. And then I have a whole bunch of other like cute little bathing suits. I need to wear these, y'all. One of these, this one right here, is so stinking cute. I got this from Zoffel. This is like a 2-piece. It's so cute, y'all, but the arms are just so tight. Like, it's just so tight around my arm. So I'm just like, should I just throw this away, or should I save it for a later date? Like when I lose my weight? I don't know. So that's why I can't be keeping stuff, because it's like I'm waiting until I lose weight, but I'm not gonna lose weight overnight. So I don't know. We're gonna put this in a maybe pile. But y'all, I have such cute little bathing suits that I never wear. I need to wear them. Like, this one is so cute, y'all. I love this one. So yeah, I don't know. And then this one I got from Shein. This one is okay. I honestly might throw this one away, because I don't really like this one like that. This pink one, I mean, it's okay. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get rid of this one, because I don't really like this one. But it came with a cover up. The cover up is really cute, but I just don't really like the bathing suit like that. But yeah, I'm gonna finish this, y'all, and then we're gonna move on to the next thing. I just wanted to show y'all, because I feel like I have so many bathing suits, like, and I don't wear any of them. So yeah, let's finish this, and then we're gonna move on.
I mean, we could just go across the street to the park right here. Oh, yeah, my cell phone ringing. Hold up. Can you hear me now? Yeah. So what day did you say? Oh, yeah. Thursday's perfect, man. And it feel like baby, I swear, it's like
Time I try to leave, something keeps pulling me back, telling me I need you in my life. Every time I try to go, something keeps telling me that. Yeah,
Slide in the building.
Every time I try to leave, something keeps pulling me back, telling me I need you.
So
in
deaf in the
my
building.
life. It was meant to be.
Yeah, I know what this is.
That's what it means. We gotta make
It was
work.
all good at first, spending money, going shopping, eating at the finest restaurants, and if I'm club hopping, she was right there with me, bottle popping, living that life, and she just didn't understand my lifestyle, and that I ain't like that, I ain't like every in the world, got your diamonds, got your pearls, but I can't help it, it change the lane, be attracting all.
Girl, I forgot to do an outro. So this is my outro. I just wanted to say thank you so much for tuning in. If you watched it all the way to this point, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch y'all in my next video. Peace.
Woman more like a sacred friend to me. Cause when I'm out of town, I always think of her. Might conversate with some chicks, but no one I'm above her. I thought I was your man. Guess you ain't understand.